In a move aimed at addressing rising discontent, President Edi Mnangagwa launched the Presidential Youth Empowerment Scheme in Harare on Thursday morning, amidst increasing pressure from war veterans demanding his immediate resignation. Sanapina mashukubdani kwachinzi aiwa dejected Mnangagwa launches Presidential Youth Empowerment. Panguva ino anoona kuti aiwa war veterans aiwa kunyanya their leader wamukuonekwa kunzi aiwa Geza ari kuuya achitaura mashoko ari vocal ari serious achinatsorodza kuti aiwa this leadership must be dissolved and resign. Not about subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina pana pa mzimba adonyora chiti. The war veterans led by Blessed Geza Bombshell have openly called for Mnangagwa's resignation, accusing him of undermining the constitution. On Tuesday night, Geza urged citizens to stage protests against what he described as Mnangagwa's efforts to subvert the country's legal framework. Despite the mounting political pressure, thousands of youths from across the country gathered at the Harare International Conference Center to witness the launch of the much-anticipated Presidential Youth Empowerment Scheme, where President Mnangagwa was expected to officially unveil the initiative. The event saw a thunderous arrival of President Mnangagwa with thousands of enthusiastic youth chanting slogans in the support 2030 India Emerson and Kutonga kwa Rugamba is unstoppable. 2030 Gezatsa echoed through the venue as the president made his entrance, signaling high expectations and enthusiasm surrounding the Youth Empowerment Initiative. Tomashuka tiri kuona panapa kuti aiwa despite vanhu vanyatso kuziva kuti pane macause akanyanya and macitizens nemacivil society pamwe chete the sections the military and the likes vakomana mahuman rights defenders vachisapota mukomana anonzi Bombshell panguva ino aiwa pamwe chete the vice president. Kunoonekwa kunzi aiwa mayouth yesterday we do not know if they were bribed kana vanga vatengewa, but takaona kuti aiwa vakomana vaipembera vachifara pamusoro pe the presidential youth empowerment. Kunyange zvavo iri kuzikanwa kuti the youth empowerment inogobenefita vari kumusoro. Tunze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.